In the desolate expanse of Antarctica, where treacherous ice and bone-chilling cold define existence, something astonishing has been discovered. Seals, the resilient denizens of this frozen frontier, have stumbled upon shocking secrets hidden beyond the massive ice wall. This land, seemingly devoid of life and shrouded in perpetual darkness, holds mysteries that challenge our understanding of the natural world. What could these secrets be? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover what lies beyond the ice wall. Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is unlike any other place on Earth. Its vast icy plains, relentless blizzards, and sub-zero temperatures create an environment where survival seems improbable. Native land mammals, reptiles, and amphibians are non-existent here. Trees and flowering plants cannot withstand the severe climate. Yet, life has found a way to thrive. The ice acts as a time capsule, preserving stories of ancient creatures and past climate changes. Among the most fascinating inhabitants of this frozen realm are the seals, whose existence here is nothing short of miraculous. Seals in Antarctica, often referred to as the pups of the ocean, may appear unassuming, but they are marvels of adaptation. Weddell seals, in particular, are perfectly suited to the harsh conditions. These seals can dive to depths of over 2,000 feet and hold their breath for more than an hour. Recent studies have revealed that they possess a sharp sense of smell, which they use to locate breathing holes in the thick ice and detect predators and prey, even in the dark polar winter. These seals are not just survivors, they are navigators of the icy depths. Evidence suggests that Weddell seals might use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate through icy waters, akin to having a built-in GPS. This remarkable ability likely evolved to help them survive and hunt in their challenging environment. The seals are not the only intriguing discovery in Antarctica. Scientists have unearthed the remains of a giant bird that once soared over this icy land. This ancient bird implies that Antarctica was once a very different place, possibly warmer and teeming with life. Such discoveries challenge our current understanding of this remote continent and demonstrate how life can adapt to extreme conditions. But the most astonishing revelation came in early 2022 when scientists discovered a massive breeding colony of Weddell seals in the depths of the Weddell Sea. This finding is crucial as it provides new insights into how Weddell seals reproduce and adapt to extreme environments. The colony, located in a remote and unexplored area, offers a unique look into the life cycle of these animals and their interactions with the polar ecosystem. Learning about the seals' navigation skills and reproductive behaviors not only enhances our understanding of marine biology but also highlights the incredible adaptability and resilience of these creatures. Ongoing research continues to uncover fascinating details about the lives of Weddell seals, showcasing their ability to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. In the icy waters of Antarctica, another remarkable discovery awaits. A vast underwater area, spanning about 92 square miles, the size of Malta, is home to icefish, which live and breed in this frozen nursery. This space is dotted with around 60 million nests, each carefully crafted by the icefish to house thousands of eggs. Adult icefish are highly protective parents, cleaning the seabed for their nests and guarding their eggs against predators and strong ocean currents. Their dedication to protecting their offspring demonstrates their remarkable adaptation to one of the coldest places on Earth. One of the most fascinating aspects of these fish is their clear blood. Unlike other fish, icefish lack hemoglobin but possess special antifreeze proteins. These proteins prevent ice crystals from forming in their bodies, allowing them to survive in freezing temperatures. This adaptation is a testament to the incredible ways life can evolve to thrive in extreme environments. The icy expanse of Antarctica is not just a haven for unique wildlife, it is also a treasure trove of meteorites. Recently, researchers discovered 5 new meteorites, one of which was among the largest ever found on the continent, weighing about 17 pounds. This melon-sized meteorite is a significant addition to the collection of space materials gathered in Antarctica. Antarctica's vast white ice makes it an ideal location for finding meteorites. The dark rocks stand out against the ice, and the cold, dry climate preserves them in excellent condition. Each meteorite discovered provides scientists with valuable clues about the universe, helping to piece together the history of our solar system. One remarkable expedition in 2010 by the Antarctic Geological Drilling Program revealed thousands of tiny sea anemones living in the ice shelf. Unlike any anemones seen before, these ghost excavator anemones live within the ice itself, dangling their tentacles in the cold water. This discovery showcases how life can adapt in unexpected ways to survive harsh conditions. In 2019, the International Ocean Discovery Program made another groundbreaking find. While mapping the seafloor in the Scotia Sea, they accidentally collected ancient sedimentary DNA, or sedna, from up to 584 feet below the seabed. This DNA, up to 1 million years old, offers a glimpse into the long history of life in these remote oceanic areas. The depths of the Antarctic Ocean are home to one of the most fascinating and elusive creatures, the colossal squid. Known for having the largest eyes of any animal, up to 16 inches across, the colossal squid can grow up to 46 feet long. Unlike the giant squid, which has tentacles with small toothed suckers, the colossal squid's tentacles are equipped with sharp hooks, perfect for catching and holding large prey. Despite its formidable capabilities, the colossal squid remains shrouded in mystery. It is believed to be a solitary hunter, using stealth to capture its prey in the dark depths, up to 6,890 feet below the surface. The scarcity of direct encounters with this elusive giant makes it a key subject of interest for marine scientists. Over 100 years ago, the polar regions were among Earth's last unexplored places. Ernest Shackleton and his crew embarked on a perilous journey to Antarctica in 1914 aboard the ship Endurance. Despite being built to withstand extreme conditions, the ship became trapped in the thick ice of the Weddell Sea. The crew endured brutal conditions, hoping the ice would melt and free their ship. However, the ice only grew stronger, eventually crushing the Endurance. Shackleton made the difficult decision to abandon the ship, and the crew faced months of survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Remarkably, over a century later, the remains of the Endurance were found using advanced technology. The cold Antarctic waters had preserved the wooden structure of the ship in good condition, allowing us to glimpse into the past and the extraordinary resilience of Shackleton and his crew. Among the quirky historical finds in Antarctica is a century-old fruitcake discovered at Cape Adare. This relic, preserved by the extreme cold, offers a unique glimpse into the diet of early explorers like Scott and his team. Alongside McKinley's rare old Highland malt whiskey, these finds tell stories of survival, celebration, and human effort in one of the world's most remote and harsh places. The preservation of these items not only showcases the skill of their makers but also highlights the extraordinary conditions of Antarctica that have kept them intact. These discoveries bridge the past and present, allowing us to experience what life was like for explorers over a century ago. Antarctica, a land of extremes, continues to reveal astonishing secrets hidden beneath its icy surface. From the resilient seals and the unique ice fish to the colossal squid and preserved relics, each discovery offers a deeper understanding of life's adaptability and the continent's historical significance. As we uncover these secrets, we gain valuable insights into our planet's past, the resilience of its inhabitants, and the ever-evolving story of life in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Join us as we continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of this enigmatic continent, where every discovery pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and sparks a sense of wonder about the natural world.